Next we have team 16, GURUMAYUM DEBITA SHARMA.
Hello everyone and our respective judges. I'm DEBITA from MIT and I'm in first year and in the CSE trade. I would like to present a very interesting topic, and it's been in the conservations of the energy resources. In most of our life, we deal with the heavy traffic and the difficulties and about the and the great demands had been increasing for the energy resources. So we are targeting in the management and for this heavy increasing demands to which will ultimately lead to the waste of the energy and as well as the money. So in order to conserve the energy as well as the money, I've been targeted to this topic, and its topic is called meter tracking device. It's a web page, and anyone can go through it by using any web browser. Okay, due to some technical programs, it's not been displayed on the screen for right now. I would like to explain more about this topic. It's been based on the online telecast about meter tracking. Whatever we use in our daily life, it will be displayed. And above that, I would like to calculate or to show all the uses or the things that we had been used in every 1 second or every, just like we did it in the mobile phone. When we make a call, then for 1 second or 2 seconds, there comes out the accurate money for that. Just like that, for 1 second or 2 seconds, whatever the time we use it, we are going to calculate it and make it show all the units and conservation and the cost that's required. And for implementation also, I'm not hoping to make interruptions to the government services or anything that had been improvised earlier. I want to make it more usable. I'm just trying to put any chip or any that connected to the meter that already had been dispatched in most of the classes. So I'm not going to break all through it. Just I'm helping to make it more analytically, more accurate, and more informative. So as I mentioned before, the name of the topic that I'm working with is with the tracking application. So mainly objectives or the point through that I mostly focus on is the report of the daily users, and it will be online payment, cover the monthly users, and it will track down the monthly consumption and calculate all the percentage users of the by comparing the past month and the current month. It will help you to detect how much the percentage of the users I have done and how much I have conserved and the expenses and everything. And here's some benefits. Report on the daily users. About the daily users, it tracks all the daily users, giving a clear-cut idea how contributions are done in everyday life. And online payment, with the help of online payment, without any going anywhere, we can do it from anywhere. So it helps more usable and user-friendly also. And they calculate monthly users, giving a clear idea about how you just throughout the end of the month. It will help to calculate all the basic data that have been gathering the whole days at one month, percentage of the users. As I mentioned before, by percentage of the users, it will calculate the percentage of the previous months or the past months and current month, and it will help to know that how much we have used until the extent. That is, for example, if you used energy in the previous month at 40% and now in this month 30%. By comparison these two, we will know overdue, that there will be fixed date for that fixed date. Before that, if we pay our dues, then there will be no fine or interest regarding that. And the comparison of uses for changes and passcode that I have mentioned before. And there is a separate link that is show uses. After clicking this text, we will know all the tracks and all the daily details will be shown out. And if you want to do the payment at the exact time, at the moment, we can go through the payment. Cost that we make it constant, per unit cost we make it constant, and the power consumed. These are the tricks for the as time goes on, the cost will be increased, and the 55 p.m. that was the time that we start counting, and the cost that is that's been covered after just logging in. When we refresh it or make it, when the time goes up, okay, the cost will be increased. And that's the details that gonna be show up in the username, post, address, and the time. These times and the post will be fixed for the one time, because that's gonna be for the particular time. After we log in, after a few times, they will change in the post and the time. Okay, that's all from my side. And lastly, it's my first presentation. If something mistake or delay, just forgive me.
You are in the first year? Which semester?
Second semester.
Second semester. You are from computer science.
Yeah.
Very good. See, the kind of project that you are projecting at the moment is a very complex one. From the presentation that we have seen, I'm a bit confused of whether the entire project is going to be used by an individual or rather a house, or is it going to be used from the power production or distribution side? That's my first question, because when you show the report, we have users and other things. And of course, another fact of the matter is that these are systems which are already in place. Even in Manipur, the prepaid and the postpaid system, or rather the postpaid system, the TCS has already developed this kind of system, and they are in the process of implementation. So what I would rather suggest you is to actually look into the system which is existing, find out which are the areas where you can actually improvise and make it more better, right? And also another aspect that I cannot digest from the entire application was, how are you going to meter the entire power usage from your laptop? How are you going to integrate this application from the wires? That is one thing. Could you explain a bit more?
For the first question, it's a web page. We can go through it by using any web browser, and it's for the individual. That there will be an individual account for everyone or every home. There, as like we get going on right now. There is a specific code or a house code that we use. After entering that specific code, one can see their details or informations going through it, and for the last question, we are not going to break the thing that had been developed earlier. We are going to make it some chief like that will be inserted in the meter, and it will help to calculate. It will help to calculate all the things that analytically and in a very few minutes, or make it more simpler to see that. know us in a very in a simplest way. Okay, that's all.